What if I told you there's a man who saved more human lives than anyone in history, and you have probably never heard his name? In the 1940s, half the world was on the edge of starvation. Billions of people had nothing to eat. In 1914, a boy was born on a small farm in Iowa, USA. His name was Norman Borlaug. He was not rich, he was not famous, he was just a quiet student who loved science and plants. One day, he looked at a wheat plant and asked one question that nobody had ever asked before. What if we could make wheat grow bigger, faster, and stronger, and feed the entire world? In 1944, he packed his bags and flew to Mexico with nothing but a suitcase full of seeds and one obsessive goal. He worked alone in open fields under the burning sun for years. No fame, no recognition, just work. He tested hundreds of wheat varieties, crossed them, failed, tried again, failed again, and tried again. Then, one day, he created a wheat plant that grew 3 times bigger than anything the world had ever seen. Mexico went from starving to self-sufficient in food in less than 10 years. One man did that. The news spread. Mexico had solved its food crisis. The world started paying attention. Then India called. They were facing the worst famine in their history. Millions were about to die. It was 1960s India. The government told Borlaug, if you cannot help us, we will lose hundreds of millions of people. He flew to India immediately. He taught farmers his methods. He planted his super wheat across the country. India went from the edge of complete collapse to producing more food than it could consume in just a few years. Food production doubled, then tripled, then grew 6 times what it was before. Pakistan followed. Then other countries across Asia and Africa. The ripple effect was unstoppable. Scientists later calculated that Norman Borlaug's work directly saved 2.5 billion human lives. In 1970, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. The committee called him the man who fed the world. His name is Norman Borlaug. Say it out loud, because the world forgot to teach you about him. We know the names of singers, actors, and athletes, but we do not know the name of the man who kept billions of us alive. He is not in most school textbooks. He is not in most history classes. He is simply invisible. And here is what makes this story even more extraordinary. He never stopped working. At age 90, he was still in the fields, still working, still trying to feed more people. His entire life, from 1914 to 2009, 95 years, was dedicated to one single mission: feed the world. Statistically, 1 in every 3 people alive today exists because of the food systems Norman Borlaug created. Think about that. You watching this video right now, there is a real chance you are alive because of this man. Share this video with someone who has never heard his name, because they deserve to know. Norman Borlaug saved 2.5 billion lives with seeds, science, and silence. Now you know his name. Never forget it.